Hello everyone, today we will differentiate between nitrate, nitrite, nitride and azide ion.
Let's start with the general formula. Nitrate is NO3 negative, nitrite is NO2 negative, nitride is N3 negative, azide is N3 negative. Moving on to the next slide, let's start with the definition of all the four ions. NO3 negative, that is nitrate ion, is the conjugate base of nitric acid. Nitrates are chemical compounds of the nitric acid. Nitrate is made up of 3 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. Second is NO2 negative. The nitrite ion is a conjugate base of nitrous acid. Nitrites are chemical compounds or esters of the nitrous acid. Nitrite is made up of 2 oxygen atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. Next is a nitride ion is an anionic species with the formula N3 negative, formed when a nitrogen atom gains 3 electrons to achieve a stable full valence shell of 8 electrons. And the last one is an azide ion. It is a linear 3-atom polyatomic anion with the chemical formula N3 negative, consisting of 3 nitrogen atoms arranged in a straight line. Now moving on to the next slide with the points of difference between nitrate and nitrite ion, that is NO3 negative and NO2 negative. Molar mass of nitrate ion is 62 gram per mole, while the molar mass of nitrite is 46 gram per mole. Uses are, nitrates uses are agriculture, that is mineral fertilizers, food industries, that is colorants and preservatives, production of paints, medicines, plastics, glass, explosives, etc. And the uses of nitrite, that is NO2 negative, is production of meat and fish products. Now let's check whether these are hazardous or not. Nitrates in the air may act as respiratory irritants. Nitrates themselves are not toxic when swallowed, hazardous to the human health. The nitrites and the nitrosamines which can form the nitrates. Next is nitrates are categorized as probably carcinogenic to humans. Depending on the dose, they can damage the cellular structure of the different organs and systems, disturb the transportation of oxygen, cause toxic damage to the enzyme systems, cause mutagenic, carcinogenic and the other subcellular changes, reduce the immune system's activity. Now moving on to the next slide, that is the difference between N3 negative, that is azide ion, and nitrite ion, that is N3 negative. Okay, first is structure. Azide ion is 3-atom ion consisting of 3 nitrogen atoms covalently bonded together, and a nitrite ion is a single nitrogen atom with a -3 charge. And the next is charge. Azide ion has a total charge of -1, while the nitrite ion has a total charge of -3. Now next point of difference is reactivity. Azide ion is often explosive and unstable, requiring careful handling. It can react with metal ions like copper or brass to form shock-sensitive and explosive metal azides. It is used as a nucleophile in various chemical reactions. While the nitrite ion is a transition metal nitrides, it can react violently with water, producing hydroxides and ammonia. They are generally incompatible with the oxidizers, such as oxygen in the air and acids. Some nitrides like silicon nitrides are used as wide bandgap semiconductors. Next point of difference is sodium azide and hydrazoic azide. And the nitride ions examples is magnesium nitride and sodium nitride. Okay, this is all about this lecture. Thank you. Keep watching and keep learning.